The JVC KW M56BT is positioned as an affordable entry into the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay world, but before you make a decision, it's important to know the real limitations. Today on Auto and Moto, we're breaking down 5 key reasons why you should think twice before buying the KW M56BT. First, the screen brightness is underwhelming. Although the 6.8-inch capacitive touchscreen is sharp indoors, it struggles badly in bright sunlight. Even at maximum brightness, glare and reflections make it difficult to view navigation apps, change tracks, or adjust settings safely while driving during the day. Second, the unit does not support wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. You'll need to connect your phone using a cable every time, which is inconvenient in a market where true wireless connectivity has become standard even in budget-head units. Third, system responsiveness is inconsistent. Small lags when switching between maps, music, and settings can quickly become frustrating during daily use, especially for drivers accustomed to faster smartphone-like interfaces. Fourth, sound quality is basic without external upgrades. While JVC provides standard EQ settings, the KW M56BT's internal amplifier doesn't deliver the clarity, punch, or detailed tuning options that enthusiasts expect. If high-quality audio is important to you, plan on adding an external amplifier or processor. Fifth, firmware support is limited. JVC has been slow to address known issues like Bluetooth pairing problems and random CarPlay disconnections. Buyers shouldn't expect frequent software updates or fast bug fixes, which can leave performance issues unresolved for months. In conclusion, while the JVC KW M56BT offers a low-cost entry into modern infotainment features, the compromises in screen performance, connectivity, responsiveness, sound quality, and software support make it a risky investment for drivers who expect smooth, reliable technology in their vehicles.